welcome to our new vlog. Look at these clouds. These clouds are getting closer to the mountain. They are just kissing the mountain and traveling towards us. You can see these white clouds, white and dense, beautiful. They are just traveling fast and they are just sliding over, rolling over these mountains, these little hills. Beautiful landscape. Just have a look how these clouds are so close to these hills. Zigzag road. Wow. This is the beauty of the Yorkshire, especially the Huddersfield. Lovely. It's so serenic, so scenic, so wonderful. You feel so fantastic over while having a car ride from this place. I'm just taking you to all the moves with us. Wow. And there you go. Finally we are at a new reservoir here at the bottom. Wow. Beautiful. There is a dove. Lovely. Beautiful landscape. Terrific scenes. Hilly mountains again. We are right near to the clouds, right near to those mountains where the clouds were just kissing them and passing by and traveling to us. On the similar road, we are getting very close to these clouds. Beautiful. Just have a look if I can show you more nearer to them. Wow. Right in the mountains and right in the middle of those clouds. Just have a look with us. Amazing. This is so wonderful. We have crossed the Huddersfield and we entered into the Peak District, and we are at the moment we are sitting at the top of the mountain of the Peak District, and we will drive around and show you different parts of the Peak District on the road. We are right in the middle of those mountains, and we are we are just here, and we can feel these clouds. Look at how cloudy it is at the moment. You can see with us. This is so cloudy, and there is a cyclist, and there is the car, and just see that. I mean, how good it is to be in the middle of the clouds. And there was a time when I heard about the Murray in Pakistan, the hilly area where the people tell you different stories, that sometimes the clouds are so close that sometimes they enter through the windows, and sometimes while walking your clothes got wet because of these clouds. But here we are just roaming in the middle of these clouds, but trust me, we are not getting wet, and we don't have a window here to show you that either they enter into the window or not. But trust me, it is very fantastic experience to feel these clouds, to be in there. It seems like it is so vapory. It's so steamy. You feel like it's so mystic with them, that you feel like these vapes are entering into your nostrils, and you're just sniffing them, and you feel so better. You feel like you are feeding yourself with something which can make you like feel so beautiful, so amazing, so fantastic. It's just so brilliant. And trust me, I want to show you my one of my guests with me, I'm not allowed at the moment, but soon all these 3 guests will be with me, and we will make a one family fantastic vlog, and just keep the fingers crossed. Soon all these 3 members will dress very wonderful, and they will be with me. They will be standing here and here, and I will be talking to all these, and I will be putting them on the camera. This is a vast landscape, a vast mountainous area, and you can see that how the clouds are touching this mountain and passing by, going here and there, scattering around, and they are though it's these clouds, they're so they're so intact. It's not raining, but still the clouds are roaming here and there. They are just from one end to the other, and they're just passing by. And I hope so in about half an hour time they will reach out to our house, and we can experience some real rain there. And if we do experience, we will show you that. Guys, the sun is up, and it has made its way out of the clouds, and it's shining bit by bit more and more, and it's making the things look more grassy, greeny, and more beautiful and more shinier. जी, तो ये बहुत रोमानवी जगह है। यहाँ पर और भी नौजवान जोड़े आकर यहाँ अपनी मोहब्बतों की यादें ताज़ा करते हैं। तो हम भी यहाँ उन्हीं मोहब्बतों को ताज़ा करने के लिए, हमारी ये मोहब्बत फितरत के साथ है, कुदरती नज़ारों के साथ है और अपने हमनवा के साथ है, तो हम भी उसी मोहब्बत को ताज़ा करने के लिए यहाँ बैठे हैं। मेरे प्यारे व्यूअर्स, अब बादल छट गए हैं और साफ़ सुथरा मंज़र, खूबसूरत सूरज निकल आया है, और इसी के साथ अब हम यहाँ से आपसे इजाज़त चाहेंगे। अब हम आपको नीचे जाने के व्यू दिखाएंगे, पहाड़ से नीचे उतरने के। तो आइए देखते हैं पहाड़ से नीचे उतरने के नज़ारे। आइए अब आपको जाते बादलों का नज़ारा दिखाते हैं। देखें, अब ये बादल यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, अब ये इस पहाड़ी को अलविदा कह रहे हैं और अपने नए ठिकाने की तरफ, नई मंजिल की तरफ जा रहे हैं। ये देखिए, अब इस तरफ से ये क्लाउड ख़त्म हो गए हैं और ये इनका आखिरी इनका पड़ाव है, और ये यहाँ से अब अगली मंजिल की तरफ चलते जा रहे हैं। ब्यूटीफुल। ये देखिए, ये क्लाउड्स अब कैसे आगे की तरफ जा रहे हैं। अब हम इस पहाड़ी से नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं। अभी आपको नीचे की तरफ जाने का आपको नज़ारा करवा रहे हैं। अब ये देखिए, ये क्लाउड्स, अब हम दोबारा इन क्लाउड्स के अंदर आ गए हैं। इन जो आपको पीछे से नज़र आ रहा था कि यहाँ से आप अपना जो पॉइंट है, अपनी जो प्लेस है, अपना जो ठिकाना है, उसको बदल रहे हैं। तो देखते जाइए, हमारे साथ नज़ारे करते जाइए। फ़ाबिय्यि आलाइ रब्बिकुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान। ये जो कुदरत है, ये जो फितरत है, इसके जो मनाज़र हैं आपको खुदा के बहुत करीब तर ले जाते हैं। जब आप इन नज़ारों को इनके करीब तर होते हैं तो आपको खुदा ताला की जो कारीगरी है वो भी नज़र आती है, और आप मज़ीद अल्लाह ताला के करीब हो जाते हैं और अल्लाह ताला की हम्द व सना करना शुरू कर देते हैं। आपकी रूह, आपका जो अंदर है वो झूमता है और खुदा ताला की हम्द व सना करता है। इंतहाई खूबसूरत। The beautiful farmhouses there. This is called proper English farmhouse. I will try to give you an interior view of a farmhouse soon. But at the moment I can make you see the farmhouses outside. Due to being in those clouds, my nose is feeling a little stuffy at the moment. Pardon my voice. So here we are, back to the point from where we started the journey upward. Now we are quite near to go on the smooth road. We are in the village now. We are back to the village. This is beautiful English village near to these mountains, near to these hilly areas. Now we are at the more clearer side of the moors, and this side you can see the no clouds, and it is all clear sky. Though clouds are on the sky, but this side is more clearer. And wow, these are the moors. ये देखिए अटकेलियां करते हुए बादल, और अब हम उन माउंटेन्स को क्रॉस करके बिल्कुल दूसरी तरफ आ चुके हैं। और ये देखें यहाँ पे ये बादल अटकेलियां कर रहे हैं, ये नीचे करते अटकेलियां करते करते नीचे आ गए हैं। और उसके सामने देखें, खुदा की शान देखें कि किस तरह ये बादल स्कैटर्ड हैं, और ये बारिश नहीं बरस रही, लेकिन ये ऐसे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, फिर भी यकजां हैं और ट्रैवल करते जा रहे हैं, मूव करते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये बरस नहीं रहे और स्टफ़ी हुए हैं बहुत ज़्यादा। और क्या खुदा की कुदरत है, क्या खुदा ताला की शान है कि आप मैं इन ये इतना खूबसूरत मंज़र है कि इसके लिए ये मेरे पास अल्फाज जो हैं वो मेरे बयान से बाहर हैं कि कितना ही शानदार ये नज़ारा है, कैसा खूबसूरत मंज़र है। ये देखें, यहाँ से ये ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे the scenes, and this is the mountain, these clouds, all of this is what causes you addiction. This is called natural addiction, or addiction to the natural scenery and beauty. This is so wonderful, lovely. If you see it with not only the physical eye but also the inward eye, that takes you to another level. Your spirit start dancing, your inward start feeling so amazing.